everybody, my name is Hope, and today I will be walking you through an overview of the Palmstreet Foundation Program. So what is the Foundation Program? The Foundation Program is an exchange. So if you decide that you want to sell live with just Palmstreet and no other live selling platforms, then you're going to be able to unlock different benefits, discounts, and learning opportunities for your business. And then what platforms can you still sell on while being in this? Is you're still able to sell on Etsy, you're still able to sell on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any of the social media apps you're fine with selling live on, but no other live selling platforms. And then in exchange for that, you're going to be able to get some really cool benefits, discounts, and then different learning opportunities to help you grow your business. So the different benefits that are included is that you can get 0.25% up to 1% cash back, depending on how long you've been in the program. And then as you can see in the graphic below, our program is on a tier level. So the first level is when you first join, you'll get 0.25% cash back every month. And then from longer and longer, up to 18 months, you can get 1% cash back every month for every sale. So the longer you stay in, the more benefits that you end up unlocking. And then some other benefits you can get are co-marketing opportunities. We do offer some Palmstreet swag on a limited basis. And then you get unlimited live shows and up to 2 purges per day. You also get access to Palmstreet Academy, which is a program where we'll have a tutorial once a month where we'll go over in-depth features to help you grow as a seller. And then we also are giving everybody in the foundation program a dedicated account rep who you can message whenever you have an issue or need some advice for your business. And then how to join. So the requirements to join the foundation program is that you must have made at least $5,000 in the last 6 months on the platform, and you can't be selling on any other live selling platform. Again, if you sell on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok, you're totally fine. It's just no other live selling platforms. So next, let's go over how to apply. So if you scan this QR code below, it'll take you to the application link, and then we'll go over that. Okay, so now that we are in the application, go ahead and scan that QR code. If you haven't already, just rewind a few seconds, scan it, and then come back over. And then here, it's going to take you straight to the program interest form. So once you're in here, select Tell Me More, and it'll be asking you for different questions related to your business. This is really short to fill out. It's only going to take like 2 to 3 minutes. So put your first name, your last name, and then your Palmstreet username. This is really important so that way we can activate your account as a foundation seller. If we're unable to find your account, it's going to be really hard for you to be able to get all those benefits that I just discussed. And then also put the email that's associated with your Palmstreet account. And then this question is just asking if you've been in the Palmstreet exclusive program before. The exclusive program was Palmstreet Foundation. It was the old name for it. The benefits were pretty similar. So if you were ever in the foundation program in the past or in the exclusive program before it turned to foundation, you would click yes. If this is your first time being in any sort of program with that like this on Palmstreet, then just select that. And then it's just asking if you sell on any other live selling platforms. If you select yes, it's going to take you to a list for what to put. So if you do sell on Facebook Live and Instagram Live, still put yes, and then you can just click it here. And then we also ask if you'd be interested in Palmstreet merchandise. This is not a guarantee, it's based on availability, but if you would like any of the things listed, make sure to put what you would like. And then that way, if we do have availability come up, we are able to send that to you. And then once you have that, it's going to ask a few follow-up questions. This one is asking for size, so make sure to put whatever size you would need. And then hit submit, and then after that, you will have applied for the Palmstreet Foundation Program. Once the application is sent in, our team will review it, and then we'll let you know through email if you were approved or not. All right, and that is the end of our overview of the Palmstreet Foundation Program. If you have any questions that I did not answer during this call, feel free to reach out to Palmstreet support, and they'll be able to help you with any specific questions that you have. And then thank you guys all for watching.